Hi everyone, in today's video, I want to guide you on how to change File Explorer icon on your device. If you open your taskbar, you can see that my File Explorer icon is indicate with this recycle bin icon, which is not okay. So I want to fix it and let's do that together. Open your File Explorer here, click on PC. Once you click on PC, open your C drive. Now scroll down until you get to Windows, click on it, open it. Once you open it, scroll down to the base of this page until you see File Explorer. Here is File Explorer. Right click on it. Now click on More Option. Click on Create Shortcuts. Then click on Yes. Now you're going to have the shortcut created here. You can see it here. Here's the File Explorer. So now click on this one, right click on it again. Click on More Option. Click on Properties. Now you have it like this here. Now click on Change icon here. You can change any of these. You can use any of these icon. So let's use this one as File Explorer, this particular one. Click on it, click on Apply, click on OK. Refresh this place. Let's close this one. Then let's open it again. Right click here, open Task Manager, the File Explorer icon here. Here we go. We've been able to change the icon of File Explorer. It has come out here. And that's all guys on how to change the icon of File Explorer on Windows 11. If you enjoyed this, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.